Hey guys, how are you doing? Alright. We're doing another easy, pretty budget friendly dinner tonight. I'm on a roll with these. And everybody's liking them, so we're just gonna keep rolling. Hey babe, I'm on a live video, okay?
Guys, did you see my moves?
Your smooths.
My dancing
Your
moves.
moves. Did y'all see his moves? He's very excited about it. I posted it, baby.
What did I say?
Everybody says it looks like you are a dancer. Oh.
What's it?
We'll look at it here in a minute, okay? Hey,
Uh-huh.
pick up that.
Huh?
Get that water bottle and hit the trash.
I did. There.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Are you alright? Alright. Now, let's talk about chicken casserole. Okay? Now, hang on. I'm trying to get my... Okay, we don't need this bowl. Alright. Get your bowl. Now, I'm doing golden white corn, carrots, and asparagus. You put in whatever vegetables you want to, or no vegetables. You're going to need some chicken breast. I just baked mine. Okay? And then we're going to chop up some onion. Okay. We're going to do about half. I don't want to get crazy. We might make 2 of these and put one of them up to freeze, okay? Because I don't know really how to cook for like a small amount. So I'm just going to dice up this onion real quick. Get off her. This I want diced up pretty fine. Okay. So we're just gonna toss it in there. Chicken casserole. Alright, now we'll make this easy. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. And for those of you starting about, oh, you can make your own, go ahead and do that. Oh, Lord. Go ahead and do that, Barb, or whoever. But I'm not going to do it. I've got enough irons in the fire without trying to make my own cream of soups. And I love yous for being that resourceful. That's just not, that's not this place over here, okay? Okay. Do use a rubber spatula to get your cream of chicken out, because it is thick. Oh, I'm gonna do 2. You could also do a cream of mushroom here if you're inclined to do that. I don't have that. So here's some bright yellow cream of chicken. Okay. Now, this is going to become our filling. We're going to add a little bit of mayo. Just, oh Lord. Got on my shirt, my dress. Oh no. Hold on. You can do some sour cream if you want. I usually just stop at mayo. And then we're going to do black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. This is the onion powder. I also seasoned the chicken when I cooked it. Black pepper. You can also do rice. You can do wild rice, you can do white rice, brown rice, whatever you want to do. Okay, we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna make sure all that chicken is nice and coated and everything looks creamy dreamy. Alright, now, alright, let's see. Let's set this over here. We gotta make our drinks and our topping real quick. Let's see here. Okay. This is so easy, guys. I baked the chicken for like an hour. This is I also boiled some chicken, so you can do boiled or baked, but I did both because I had a big pack of chicken. This is the water plus some chicken broth that it baked in. We're gonna add us a bag of cornbread dressing. Okay, you don't have to do cornbread. Do whatever you've got there. Whatever little stovetop stuffing situation you have. Okay? Now it's going to look pretty watery. We'll probably put too much liquid in there. But it's going to soak most of it up. Okay? We're going to give it just a second. In the meantime, we're going to get our little pan. I'm making it in this little pan tonight because, again, we really don't need a big giant casserole. Well, let's see here. Hold on. Let me get these seasonings out of the way. Okay. Put this right here. Alright. So we're going to pick this up. Put a blop. I think we might have enough for 2 of these. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Now, so I'm going to do a layer of the chicken, soup, and the vegetables. And then I like to use this. You can leave the cheese off too if you want to. But I like to add this Alpine blend. It's Swiss and Gruyere cheese. And we're going to do like, I've only ever found this at Kroger's, but I love it. So we're going to do a nice layer of that. Right there above the chicken. Then, oh yeah, that's soaked up real nice. We want our dressing to be pretty wet when we go on top of this. So, here we go. Take our dressing, slap it on top like that. Okay, now we're going to press that down. Make a layer of that all over the top. Y'all, look how easy. May have to have another box of dressing to do. Yeah, we don't have it. We'll have to have a second box of dressing for a second casserole, but I'll have Anthony stop at the Dollar General and grab one on the way home because he has to get me some cream cheese anyway. So we're gonna put that right there. Now, if you had the time and the fortitude and all the energy and all the world, you could have doctored that dress up a little bit and put you some extra sage in there and you know, some sauteed celery and onions. You could have really done it, but we're not doing that. This right here is going in the oven uncovered on 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven. And what you want is this dressing on top to get like a little brown crust on it, okay? So we're going to pop this in a 350 degree oven. I'll be back later to show you all the finished product. I didn't do that yesterday, and I apologize. I went to bed and I forgot. And then this morning, all the leftovers went out to the dogs and the chickens. So yeah, this is going in the oven. Then I'm going to put together another one, and we'll make some more dressing for it whenever Anthony gets here. Yes. So you can also do this with wild rice, and you can be fancy and call it chicken and wild rice casserole. But I love it just like this with a little bit of frozen vegetables in it. It makes it super easy, and this is one of those meals. I think the dressing, you can get it the generic for about $1 box. Chicken was on sale. That was only like 2 breasts of chicken, big breast, and then the soup's about $1 a can. So this is a cheap meal, and it's hearty, and it's a belly sticker, rib sticker they call it. So try this recipe, guys. You're gonna love it. Okay. I'll see you in a little while. We're gonna make a pretzel strawberry salad if I've got the energy and the house cools down some. It's hot today. See y'all later.